How to activate GCash Mastercard online. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. And without further ado, let's get right into the topic. First of all, make sure your GCash application is updated. Go to Play Store and search for GCash. If you see update sign here, tap on update. If not, tap open. Once you do so, you will need to put your phone number to get started. Enter your phone number and tap on next. Once done, you will see this page. Now go into your profile at the bottom right and tap on My Linked Accounts. Under your linked accounts, go to GCash Mastercard at the first option. Again, tap on Add a card at the bottom page. You will need to enter a 6-digit code that has been sent to your phone number. Enter the code and tap on Submit at the bottom page. Now at this page, enter the last 4 digits of your card. And once you do so, enter your virtual account number. Once done, tap on Next. Now again, add your nominate 6-digit card PIN, confirm your 6-digit card PIN, and tap on Next. And once done, you will see that your GCash Mastercard has been fully activated. So that's the end of today's tutorial. If you'd like to see more videos on this, then do comment down below and we will see you in our next upload.